Hello friends, welcome to Happy Home Hacks. I'm going to show you how to make a simple model of Kaba. For this, I took a cardboard box, one white A4 sheet and three black sheets. I am going to use gold and silver paints. You need the sellotape, scissor, glue and paintbrush. Now let's start. This is the box I am going to use. Its top and bottom are open. I am going to paste and close the box. Now the box is ready. I am going to paste the white sheet on the top of the box. Paste both the edges of the paper to the box. This is going to be the roof. Next, I will paste the black sheet on all the sides of the box. Now I am pasting the first sheet. I am going to cut the corner and paste it to the bottom. Cut this corner also and repeat the same. Now one side is ready. Now the second sheet. Repeat the same for other sides too. Third sheet. Now all the sides are covered with black sheets. This is the roof of the Kaaba. This is the base of the Kaaba. These are the sides of the Kaaba. I am drawing two lines of top of the box on all the four sides. This is the gold paint. Paint gold color between these two lines. Once first coating is over, I gave second and third coating. I am going to draw the door and the bottom brick designs. This is the door. I have drawn a line at the bottom to all the four sides. Let me give golden paint for the door. Once the paint is dry, we give second and third coating. This is the Hajarul Aswad. That is the black stone. I painted this with silver color. Now this portion is done. Draw one more line at the bottom on all the sides. Now paint over the lines with gold paint. These lines are for bricks. Now the Kaaba model is ready. This is the front side. The second side. Third side. And the fourth side. I hope you enjoy my video. Try this at your home and enjoy. If you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to Happy Home Hacks. Also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.